Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable Windows projected file system on Windows 11. So just click on this left bottom corner, search here features owner of, select Windows features, now here scroll down to turn a feature on, select its checkbox. To turn a feature off, clear its checkbox. A filled box means that only part of the feature is turned on. So just you have to select this checkbox, Windows projected file system, then click on OK. Now just you have to restart your system. So this is the way guys you can enable and turn on Windows projected file system on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.